Hi everyone, I'm Emily. I'm a teaching artist at Dramatic Results, and we are going to make some delicious things. Everyone ready to bake? We have to gather our ingredients. Mix them. Stir them. To fold in the flour. Is there something on my... I can't. Now it's time to really make a mess. I'm gonna use one of these and pretend you're not messing up. Because you can tell. Get your cookie cutter. Shh, they're in the oven. What do you do while they wait? Waiting for... No, but really, something... Is it better? Definitely wish I'd washed my hair. Cookie time! And now we eat. Hope to see you in baking. Oh, there goes the oven.